MTD CNC Global are at TIMTOS exhibition. Now, we've seen this machine here, the Averex. It's not often you see horizontals with multi-pallets, but also what I want to showcase is you can see how fast it is, but it's exceptionally powerful as well. You obviously can't see that. So, Brian, can you tell me more about the machine, please?
Okay, well, this machine is equipped with a 50 taper instead of 40 taper. Okay, and the speed is from 60 meter, our original design, to 74 meter rapid on the 3-axis total. And the rotary table on the B-axis, we can go up to 33 to 60, upgrade twice as the fastest.
So not only taking big chunks of metal, but really fast as well.
Right. That's basically what the design, original design that the machine can be.
Okay. Now this machine comes with a 2-pallet option, but I understand it is, you call it expandable retrofit?
Yes, yeah, it's expandable from 2 pallet to 6 pallet and all the way to 8 pallet. And the 2 magazine, this machine standard is the 60 tool, we can go up to 120 tool. Right. Either later expand,
Now, what sort of industries does it afford itself to?
Well, we sell this machine to all kind of industry, but I think the automotive is demanding for this machine, is perfect fit.
Okay, so loading up the pallets and letting it run sort of 24/7.
Yeah, 24/7, yes.
Brian, that's a great example of a machine that is not only fast, but exceptionally powerful and flexible as well.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.